What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So the other day I asked you, do you want to see different ways to make money? Do you want to see ways to make money online from the comfort of your own home? Well, I want to show you what you can do right now, because just over the past week or so, I've been getting a handful of questions from people on how to make money. I got an email just this morning and it said, let me read it to you. I sold all my stocks in crypto and now I'm sitting on $2,800. What do you recommend I do? Well, here's my advice. Okay, this is my advice. And even if you don't have much money, you can start doing something with as little as $20. I'm going to show you exactly what you can do. I'm going to show you how you can turn this $20 investment into a full-time income. You can easily make $1,000 every single month. Now, here's what I've been doing over the past week. I've been going around and taking a little bit of money, been going around to all the different stock trading platforms, all the different crypto platforms that are offering free crypto and free stocks just for signing up. Guess what I'm doing? I'm signing up. Here's the reason why. Do I plan to trade on all those platforms? In the future, yes. Right now, absolutely not. Okay? You can actually go and there's a software. It's called MooMoo. Let me pull it up really quick. Here's what it looks like, okay? You can go and get 5 free stocks, up to 5 free stocks with MooMoo. It's 5 free stocks, okay? I'll even put a link down in the description box below so you can go and sign up. Go get those 5 free stocks. I believe you get 2 free stocks just for signing up, and I think you can get the other 2 or 3 stocks if you put in $100, and then I don't remember how much more you got to put in to get the rest of your free stocks. But anyway, you get like 2 to 4 by putting in like $100. So, I did that and I got my free stocks. So that's the first thing I'm doing. And you can do that with Robinhood and Webull and all those different platforms as well. But that's the first thing I'm doing. Now, beyond that, here's what I recommend. I am buying and flipping items on eBay. Okay? It's very simple. It doesn't cost you much money to sell items on eBay. You pay an eBay fee and you pay shipping. That's it. Now, eBay, it's not that difficult, and I think so many people are stuck on the fact that, well, then I got to ship stuff. Yeah, you do. Well, what do I sell? Well, let me show you. I want to show you a few different items that I have purchased just in the past week or so that you can buy. Now, maybe you're not going to buy these exact same items, but you can buy items very similar to this. Now, I have been running an eBay business since I was 15 or 16 years old, okay? And I made it a full-time income, and I still make a full-time income just from eBay alone. Let me show you one of the items I bought, okay? Look at this. Here's one of the items I bought. This is a brand new Coach. It's a Coach Clio. You can see right here. See if it. So I ended up picking that up. I know I did not pay $478 for this. This item right here was actually on clearance for $356. Now, I want to show you something. Okay? This item was on clearance for $356. And I got 75% off of that, okay, because it was like a weekend sale or something. So I picked this up for $89. Look what's going for on eBay. Look at this. Okay? Now, I wasn't able to find the exact same color. This is more like a bluish green. So I haven't really found this, but they have all these other ones. Look at this. Okay? Now this actually has the Coach design, so does this. $300 some. Who knows what that actually went for? This $219, $249, $209, right? I paid $89. Even after, let's say I sell it for $199. Let's just throw that out there. $199. I take away eBay fees. What else? I take away eBay fees. I take away shipping. So I am still going to make probably, I'd say $70 off of a $90 purchase. How great is that? That's just one item. $70 off of a $90 purchase. That's a great return on investment. Okay? That's just one item. That's brand new. But I didn't stop there. I also bought another item. Look at this. Here's a brand new pair of Under Armour shoes. Okay? These are brand new. These are kids' shoes. Okay? There they are. Kids' shoes. Okay? Brand new. I ended up picking these up. They are originally $70. See if the camera would, nope. Let's see, there we go. $70 originally, okay? Now, these were then $35 on clearance. Okay, they were 50% off automatically. And then clearance items were an additional 50% off. 50% off. So guess what? I got a $70 pair of shoes for $17.50. Well, look what they're actually going for on eBay. Look at this. On eBay. And this was, I'm shooting this as January 27th. This is January 25th. On eBay, brand new. This is a size 3.5. I have a size, 5.5, something like that. 5.5, okay? So I have a size 5.5. But look, they're going for like $50. Okay, this is probably the closest one right here. Size 6, right? Goes for $50 plus $16 shipping. So it's going for like $66. They'll pay, say, $6, $7 in eBay fees. They'll pay money for shipping. It's probably gonna be about, say, $10 for shipping. So in it, they're gonna be in about $17. So it's gonna be about $50 that they're gonna be returned. Well, after about, let's say, $20 in cost for the shoe, I'm gonna make $30. $30 just from this one item. So you got the shoes, you got the backpack, right? I'm gonna be making about, what is that, $100? Do you see why this is so easy? This is going to be the easiest money that you can make. And this is what I've been telling people this for years. It is so easy to find items to sell on eBay. And in just a minute, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Okay? But first, I want to show you one other item. This item right here, okay, comes with all the cable and everything. Pick this up. This is a Blink. It's used. It's a Blink camera, like a security camera, or video camera. I don't know exactly what it is, by Blink. Now, I want to show you this because of one main reason. I picked this up from a thrift store. A thrift store, it's not brand new. It came in a clear, like, Ziploc bag just like this. And I picked it up because, well, I knew what it was. Here's what you need to understand. I paid $1.99 for this camera. $1.99 because it was used. But look what's going for on eBay. Okay? Look at this. This is what they're going for on eBay. Used condition. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in just a second. But used condition, this sold today. It's new. These are pre-owned, pack of 2 for $41.99. Okay? This one sold yesterday, used, right? Comes with the box, I guess, and sold for $14.99 plus $5.50 shipping. Okay, so about $20. $20. Let's say it cost me, let's say $6 to ship it. It's fairly light. Let's say $6 to ship it. Cost me $2. I'm in at $8. eBay fees, let's say another $2. Sell it for $20, right? So total, I'm in it for $10. So I'm in this thing for $10, and I sell it for $20. So I'm pretty much gonna make $10. $10 off this $1.99 item. That's why I really like this. That's why I really like this business. Okay, that's why I've been in it for, started when I was 16, 15, 16, 34 now. So you do the math. I've been doing it for a little while, okay? But here's how you do this. I want to show you this really quick. It's actually pretty simple. Here's what you got to do, okay? All you got to do, go to eBay. There's a button over here that says Advanced. And if you haven't seen Gary Vaynerchuk, Gary V, do this exact same thing, he does this all the time, okay? You come here, and let's say I have an iPhone, right? Let's see, let's type in, you can see some of the searches right there. iPhone, say I have the iPhone XS Max, right? From Verizon, right? You can go as detailed as you want. But you come here, you're gonna click on sold listings, okay? Because that's what you want. Now, take it one step further. What if it's used? You scroll down, you click on used. Come back up and hit search, okay? Now, eBay is going to pull up all the items right there that are matching your description. They've been sold. They're used. It's the iPhone XS Max from Verizon. Now, I didn't go as detailed as putting in the gigabytes, but I could have. Look at that. Let's say I picked this up let's say it's on Craigslist for $250. You're like, oh, that's so much. I could never make any money off that. Well, maybe not. Okay, but you never know till you look, right? Look at this, right? You can see crack screen, right? Okay, that's just one. Well, let's take it one step further. One of the things I buy all the time, especially now, okay, are VHS players. Let's write that in, VHS player. Okay, same thing, used, right? Used condition. It's used. What else did I put? Oh, and it's been sold. That's it. Okay, look at this, and you can buy these for like $8 to $10 at a thrift store. They used to be like $1 to like $5. Now they're a little bit more. Inflation. Look at this. Okay, this one with the remote, $60 plus $20 shipping. Awesome, right? Let's go down here. You want to find some really good ones? Let me show you this. Okay, go right here. Show items price. I'm just gonna put in $75. Okay, I want any item price over $75. Okay, now look at this. It's just all items up over $75. That's how simple that is. Look at this. Does no remote and it works. 99 bucks. Okay, I have stacks of these. I have stacks of these that I haven't. Maybe not this exact one, but I have stacks of VHS players, VHS and even DVD combos that I haven't even listed yet on eBay. Okay, but I can tell you right now, they are worth it. You can make some good money by selling some of these things. Okay, so I just wanted to provide you with that quick little video, just because I know there's a lot of people out there wondering, how can I make a little bit extra money? What could I do? I'm getting out of the stocks and crypto, and because things are just very volatile right now. What do? Take a little bit of that money and invest it into a side hustle, some type of business, because I guarantee you, okay, I haven't met anybody that has started a business that has regretted the fact that they started. Maybe they didn't like the initial business. Maybe it went bankrupt or they stopped or whatever it was, but it led them into something else, which they are grateful for now. So if you have any questions on any of this stuff, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. I do have a course. I'm not going to link to it in this video for the one simple fact that I'm still going to update the course, and I will come out later on. And it's not going to be some $200 course. I'm probably going to sell this for like less than 50 bucks. Okay, but it's going to teach you the exact same steps that I use and I teach other people on how to start an eBay business and make some money. So if you have any questions whatsoever, you can ask your questions down in the comment section below. Just want to thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next one.